I'm a teacher and I've taught at Palm Monroe for 31 years. We've been dealing with this since '04. Anytime it would rain, we ran into problems. The water's been up to our ankles before. So we have shop vacs, we have dehumidifiers, so I just had enough. Called some friends, they told me I was gonna go to one company and said, oh no, you need to try Fortress Foundation because you're gonna get quality. They were just very open, very friendly. They're true to their word about doing the job and doing it well and showing you all the aspects of what they're doing so you're not in the dark about anything. You will get full transparency while they're doing the work and after the work is done. They did a great cleanup job afterwards. They mopped the floors and everything. I mean, I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. Looking forward to the next rainy season that my basement won't flood. So I'm really excited about that. I definitely recommend Fortress Foundation.